In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build better Power BI reports using the new card visual. If you're someone who creates dynamic dashboards and insightful reports, you'll want to pay attention because this latest addition to Power BI's toolkit is about to enhance your reporting abilities dramatically. Let's start by opening your Power BI report. After you've got your report open, direct your attention to the Visualizations pane. You may need to scroll down slightly, but near the bottom of the available visuals, you'll find the new card visual. You can easily recognize its icon. It features the numbers 1, 2, and 3, accentuated by a lightning bolt in the upper left corner. The standout feature of this new card visual compared to the old one is its versatility and enhanced functionality. Previously, the card visual in Power BI allowed for a relatively straightforward display of singular data points. However, this new version opens up a world of possibilities. You can now select and display multiple data points simultaneously within a single card. This capacity for multifaceted data representation can significantly enrich the narrative your report aims to tell, making complex data relationships more accessible and understandable at a glance. Additionally, the new card visual comes with the ability to integrate images directly within the card itself. This can be particularly useful for branding purposes, illustrating concepts, or simply adding a touch of visual appeal to your data representations. To insert an image, you'll do so directly in the Visualizations pane, giving you a streamlined process to customize and tailor your reports precisely to your needs. Another improvement you'll find in the new card visual is the enhanced formatting options. Each element within the card can be formatted independently, which means you can alter fonts, adjust colors, and tweak other stylistic elements to ensure your card aligns with the overall aesthetic of your report. This level of detail helps maintain the consistency and professional appearance of your dashboards. Moreover, the new card visual allows you to add tooltips, offering an extra layer of interactivity and depth. Tooltips can provide additional context or data insights when users hover over specific elements within the card. This feature supports a dynamic storytelling approach where the report reader can engage with the data on a more interactive level, uncovering layers of information as needed. To configure these features, you'll again look to the Visualizations pane. Here, Power BI presents a comprehensive range of options to precisely tailor your card visuals, ensuring each element contributes to a cohesive and compelling data narrative. That's all there is to it. With these new capabilities in your Power BI arsenal, you're now better equipped to present data in a manner that is both engaging and informative. Happy reporting, and may your dashboards continue to sparkle with insight and creativity.